Okay guys, here is our linear word problem for today. Jen and Mike collected shells in the Florida Keys. Together they collected 50 shells. Mike collected 10 more shells than Jen. How many shells did each of them collect? Well, here I have down that M plus S, which should be a J, so we'll take care of that, equals 50. M plus J. Mike plus Jen equals 50 shells. Okay. To figure out how many shells each of them collected, we have to find out what we can combine to make 50. So if Mike collected, let's see, if Mike collected 25 shells and Jen collected, let's see, Mike would have to have collected 10 more shells than Jen. So he collected 25, so 25 plus 10 would be 35. So if Jen collected, let's see, if Jen collected 15 shells plus 35. So if Jen collected 15 and adds the 35 that Mike collected, that does equal 50. But if you go back, Jen collected 15. If you add 10 to that, that is only 25. So then it would be 25 plus 35, which does not equal 50. So let's see if we can find two other numbers that will work instead. So I think Mike would have to have collected, let's see, 30 shells, and Jen would have had to collect 20. That equals 50 as well. But if Jen collected 20 and he collected 10 more than Jen, that would make 30, which equals 50, and it makes the equation correct. So 30 plus 20 equals 50. Mike collected 30 shells and Jen collected 20.